Okay, we're going to drop in to the end of Stephanie's class. I'm coming into spy.
No way.
Go right ahead. No gloves.
I had taken them off already, and then she said, "Oh, you move your painting over here." So, you want me to do it? Oh, you already did it. What's that? I was going to offer to move it for you. Oh no, I'm not good. And then she was like, "You're awesome." And you just took your paint and put it on there. Yeah, make sure you go
That
in
corner.
and all of your canvas.
Yeah, you got a naked corner over here too. Ooh. Fabulous. So what did you guys think?
I love that.
We're going to have some new addicts here, aren't we?
You got the torch?
Yeah, there you go.
All right, let me see. Who did the yellow and orange? Wow. These are killer. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Look at these amazing pieces for people that have never done this before.
Nope.
Hey, Kathy. Thanks for stopping in. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, somebody loves music. Oh, look at these. I would buy them. Chad, what did you think?
I loved it.
Yeah?
Yeah, very therapeutic.
It is very therapeutic. Absolutely it is. Did you like it? He did my favorite color combination. Did the black and the gold. So was it easier than you thought it would be?
It's easy, but
Grab a stick, stir it up and mix it.
it makes your brain move.
Good.
So it's like reading a book, a good one.
Did you think you could do it? Did you think you could produce what you produced?
No.
No. And you're happy with it?
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Things people want to do too.
Yeah. I've been watching. You know how they have those commercials all the time? They do countertops.
Oh, yes.
They do whole countertops.
Yes, they do.
Yeah.
Yep. And we resin.
Lagari does.
See, look, he's already thinking into doing countertops.
And Stone Coat
As
does
Stephanie, the
countertops,
instructor.
floors and walls.
Did you like it?
Absolutely.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Right.
You guys did an amazing job.
But it's a very similar process.
You guys are still going.
And I see it and I admire it every time, and I just never got to do it.
Stephanie, what do you think? This is the instructor, Stephanie Brown.
Hi guys.
What do you think?
It's been absolutely wonderful.
Fantastic.
Love this. This is great.
Awesome. All right, we'll poke in on the next class. Thanks, guys.